occurring in a proximity that has triggered safety events. These events have been trending in the wrong direction and increasing year over year. And then they recommended action. But are we really going to say, well, they didn't do enough? I'm not looking for an answer right now because honestly, I don't get it. Every sign was there that there was a safety risk, and the tower was telling you that. Yeah, you know what FAA did? After the accident occurred, you transferred out the air traffic manager, two assistant general managers, and the support, staff support manager or support person. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact title, but what you did is you transferred people out instead of taking ownership over the fact that everybody in FAA in the tower was saying there was a problem. But you guys are pointing out, well, our bureaucratic process, somebody should have brought it up at some other symposium. Are you kidding me? 67 people are dead. How do you explain that? Our bureaucratic process? Do you know we actually added up how many steps it takes to get from the tower to headquarters to figure out, and we ran all sorts of scenarios, how many steps it takes to get a policy change. 21 steps. Fix it. Do better.